multi-classic and sports car. Today we're pleased to offer you this beautiful 2006 Porsche 911. It's a 997 C4S fitted with the most desirable manual transmission. Okay, the car's covered 19,000 miles from new. It's 2 private owners and 1 dealer. We've previously sold the car. It's just come back in part exchange. The condition on it is as near perfect as you will find for this age of car. Obviously a very low mileage car, 4-wheel drive once it's wide bodied, and it's the all important manual transmission. So it's finished in basalt black metallic with black leather upholstery, which is obviously very popular combination for Porsche. It's on the 19-inch Clabcraw alloy wheels. The Michelin tyres are all fairly recent. And we'll take you around the car, and then we'll show you some of the options on the condition of the car. We'll zoom in on some areas for you. The car is running. It's full service history with Porsche. There's 4 services. Last service less than 2,000 miles ago at Porsche Centre Hull. Major service with spark plugs and drive belts. Stunning car, no accident damage. So as we zoom in, you'll see the front end of the car. No stone chips, paintwork's perfect. Got these xenon headlights. Across the bonnet. Looking down the car. Close up on the sill areas there and the wheel arch lips where you normally find lots of bad paintwork and chips. None on this car. Okay, some of the options now, again just on the back end there, no marks on the bumper, paintwork gleams. So we've got stainless steel 4 exhaust pipes at the back, factory option. We've got rear wiper, and we've got park assist. Let's look at the wheels, see the condition of the wheels and the brakes. These red 4-cut calipers. If you look underneath there on the inner wheel arches there, you'll see no signs of bad weather usage. To the driver's side front, quickly look in the petrol flap there. Lovely and smooth paintwork as per the rest of the car. Again, the driver's side front wheel. Locking wheel bolts in the car. Again, the brakes. Everything lovely detail. And again, looking down the near side, the sill areas, down the doors, no dings or anything. Back to the near side front wheel. No scuffs or chips. Tyres, I say they're Michelin tyres, all in superb condition. Again, look at the brake discs through there. And finally, the rear. So left hand rear. Get the picture so far. Very high quality car. Manual gearbox makes it collector quality, less than 20,000 miles. In the engine compartment, the engine's running, no abnormal noises. We'll take you down the road in the car in a short while. We'll just show you under the luggage compartment at the front, and then we'll take you inside the car. So there we are, under the bonnet there. Paintwork gleaming in the sun. As you look down the shuts, getting nicely detailed. Luggage compartment spotlessly clean. We've got a CD changer in there, which is optional. Also got the remnants of the Porsche service, the oil and screen wash fluid in there. Warning triangle. The sat nav disc fits in there. Underneath is carpet at the bottom. I won't take it up, but you've got a compressor, tools and locking wheel bolts, and the the glue for the tyre sealants inside there. Right, inside the car, similar story. It's in beautiful condition. So it's black leather upholstery, and as you look around, you'll see the multifunction sports steering wheel there. You'll see the BOSE speaker system. We've also got a leather dashboard, leather door cards, Porsche floor mats there, pedals no wear. And if we look around the shuts, if you can see in there, all the original paintwork, nicely polished up. Okay, so 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got PCM system with telephone module, navigation. We've got heated seats, trip computer, and there you'll see the mileage 19142 as we stand. So everything's in super condition. Black suede headlining. As we go in the rear, we've got the leather backed seats, and again soft leather in the back and Porsche mats. Car's not being smoked or anything. We did mention you've got BOSE sound system, so in the back here, if you put the seats down for the extra luggage space, you've got this BOSE high performance speakers. So there we are for now. Beautiful car, inside and out. It must be one of the best. We'll take you for a buzz down the road in it in a few minutes, just to prove it's as good on the road as it is to look at here. We've got the quite a nice history file already building up for this car. There's all the V5s there showing previous keepers, which will be passed on. Got original bill of sale. We've also got all of the MOTs from day one, excluding 2021 when it wasn't done because of the pandemic. There was a moratorium on MOTs. All the taxes from 2007 up until 2014 when they stopped doing them. We've got all the service receipts there, mainly Porsche, as we have one for tyres and bits and bobs, and also some MOTs and stuff. So last MOT was at 17,287 miles, and it was £1,824. Major service, I should say. Okay, we've got some Porsche correspondence there, Porsche tracker system, which would need subscribing to if you wanted to carry on with that. And we've got the leather book pack there with everything in it, and the all important service book. So service book, there's no stamp, no staple marks like you find for cars which have been dragged out of the auction. So there we've got the services there, 4 services there, and 4 brake fluid changes last done on the last service. So that's all the paperwork for it. So a nice little file to keep on top of and add to over the years. So thanks for looking. Okay, we'll just take you for a buzz up the road in this beautiful 911 997 C4S manual gearbox, 19,000 miles, full service history, in beautiful condition. There's not much to not like on this car at all. If you're after one of the best available with the best history, this could be the car for you. Condition is absolutely superb, and it drives perfect. It's on all Michelin tyres. Lovely condition, makes all the difference. So we've got navigation, telephone, multifunction steering wheel, leather dashboard and door cards. We've got BOSE speaker system, graduated tint windscreen, all factory options on the inside. On the outside we've got rear wiper, we've got park assist, stainless steel quad exhaust system. The best thing about this car is the manual gearbox. At the time this would have had the option of a Tiptronic gearbox, which as we all know isn't the car to go for if you want something that's collectible for the future. And also this gives you a perfect feel. It's good on the road, as you'd imagine. There's no squeak, there's no creak or rattle or anything, which only the best low mileage cars have. It's never been smoked in. The leather's in lovely condition. The rear seats been in 911. They fold down to show the BOSE speakers behind there, the subwoofer. So going up through the gears, lovely condition. Lovely condition car. It feels perfect. It's fast. It's 355 brake horsepower. 0 to 60s 4.6 seconds. Top speeds approaching 180 miles per hour. So there we have it. If you're in the market for one of these, if you want one of the best cars, this could be the car for you. Please give us a call on 01507 606 725, or visit our website, which is worldsideclassics.co.uk, for loads of photos and more information on the